Hey, welcome to British Cook. Happy New Year. So what's new for British Cook? So much exciting stuff coming up. Have a listen to this. Starting in January, I've got Weight Loss Wednesday, which is going to be low calorie, low hassle, lovely food. And on Weight Loss Wednesday, there'll be some vegetarian and vegan options as well. Sunday Savers, serious savings on your cooking. This is going to be budget cooking, meals you can prepare for your family and friends, and it will help you stretch your budget through the week. Also, I'm going to be doing the occasional Feast Out Friday, where we don't care about cost, calories, or the carbs. On top of that, coming up, I'm going to be cooking in a few different guest kitchens as well. So I'll be going to my friends' houses where I've never cooked before. I'll be cooking for them and showing you how I do that. Coming up later in the year, I'll also be working with some local Cornish producers, showing you their amazing food, how they make it, where it's from, and telling you all about the food in Cornwall. So it's an amazing time to join me. If you want to join me on this journey of my own weight loss, of saving money, and of Cornish producers and maybe a few Cornish sunsets, please hit that subscribe button. Just click the subscribe button in the bottom of the screen and join me for free. Also, I'd really like to thank everyone that takes part in the British Cook community. I see you helping each other out with comments and tips and different ideas of how to do things. Fantastic. Please join me. 2018 is going to be a fantastic journey. Just hit that subscribe button. I absolutely love getting comments on my videos. Please leave me a comment or a question wherever you want. Even if it's not related to that video, just ask me something on the comments. I absolutely love engaging with you all and talking to you. I love the fact that everyone's coming together. Please leave me a comment or question underneath the video. Just say hello if you want. It'd be lovely to hear from you. I always really enjoy replying to all of you, my friends. And don't forget, if you like something I do, please share it with your family, share it with your friends, put it on Facebook, share it on Twitter. Put it out there somewhere so people can see how easy this is. I am going to deconstruct cooking for you. For me, Christmas and New Year's Eve is time for spending with family, friends and loved ones. I did do some film. Unfortunately, it was corrupted. So I filmed bits of Christmas Day, I filmed bits of Boxing Day to show you what we eat and talked about the history. Unfortunately, when I went to retrieve it, it was no good. I'm so sorry. But I guess you're all here to hear about the Amazon giveaway that I've been doing and who's won it. I launched this giveaway as a way to say thank you to the people who have been supporting me over the last few months. Unfortunately, when the competition closed, it was very clear there'd been an awful lot of fake entries. Because I've had thousands of automated entries into the competition, I need to do something to make sure I'm actually giving this to someone who cares, someone who's taking part, one of you who's watching this now. So what I need you to do is to leave a comment below this video. Leave me a comment, let me know you're here. Hey, one thing I'm trying to work out is a name to call all of you that support me. I thought maybe cookies, I'm not sure. Give me an idea, just comment down below. Just leave a comment below and on the 6th of January at about 8 PM I'll pick a winner. I'm so sorry, but it's really the only way I can actually tell if I'm giving this prize to a real person or just another scammer. As I said, 2018 is going to be fantastic. Click that subscribe button, smash the like button, please join me, it's going to be great.